Hello, Internet. Today, we need to fabricate something. I need to make some kind of like board holder. I don't know what you would call this thing, but I need to make something that attaches to the front of my loader that basically sticks out like a pair of arms and hands and can hold long lumber. The reason I need to do that is because I'm making a insane clubhouse for my kids that's 10 feet off the ground. I'm using 16 foot long 2x12s, and they're heavy as hell. So the only way to lift this stuff safely is to utilize a machine. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. So I apologize with the wind noise. This is going to be a whole series of videos in itself. I'm still working on it. Oh, wait a second. Jesus. What are you doing, man? You want to come out? I don't know why you're in there. Come on. Let's go. Come on out. We'll go later. Come on. You stay in there if you want. The wind's going to close the door again. You'll be trapped. Okay, apologize about that. Oh, I knew you'd find me. Oh, man, is it windy. Okay, where was we? Anyways, so what are you doing? Oh, are you thirsty? This board is my own lamb beam that I made. It's 3 16s, and it's heavy as hell, and we put it up with an excavator. Maybe I'll throw in a clip of us lifting the thing. It was kind of a pain, but I'll probably throw that clip in so you could just see it. But I don't know what that weighs. If I had to guess, like 150 pounds maybe. I want to make something that I can raise the bucket on my tractor and basically get them to the length here, because we got to put in the floor and everything else. Let's get back into the shop. Back in the shop. So I showed you what I'm up against. You know, when you work with big lumber like that, it needs to be safe. I'm going to design something that's going to fit in the bucket. So I'm thinking some kind of beefy angle that will bolt in here, and then there will be like some sort of arms that stick out here. Then, I don't know, some kind of flat bar that, you know, would hold it like so. But that's what we're going to do. We'll go looking around in the old scrap hoard. Obviously, I don't want to buy any steel if I can cobble something together. So let's go on a little adventure and see what we can find. Okay, so I found these beefy pieces of angle. I found this piece of scrap angle, and this is beefy again, quarter probably. I also have another piece of it that I found. Whatever this is, 36 inches or something. I just need whatever this is, 8 inches or so. Mark it. This will kind of go like that. So we'll mark it here. So I'll make one of these for this side, duplicate it over here, and then that will be our mounting method. Not a good spot to sit. That's where the welding is going to happen, and you don't want the welding to get on your butt. Nope. You just want to sit and be happy. Yes, I know you do, but this is a bad spot to sit, but because the welding is going to happen here, and the welding is going to go like this. It's going to go on your head, and that's a bad puppy. Yes, that's not good. You want to go inside? I'll get you a little biscuit? Yeah? Okay. Looks like this will work. As you can see, there's the forks, or whatever you want to call them. So this would be how you load the wood in, I guess. So you'll take the piece and just kind of drop it in. Well, they say necessity is the mother of invention. Honestly, doesn't get any safer than that, really. That's really nice. Now you just have to put your ladders, right here, and I know this will make things a lot easier. All right, well, cool. I'm glad it works. Let's paint it. red. I like it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the subs. You guys are awesome. Have a great day.